Hey guys, Wesss Henry here, producer at Nofoolyou Audio Video, where we do everything audio video. So this is a sample that I put together from a request from a client, and I currently have it on my as my ringtone right now. So let me let you listen to it. Okay, so let me let you listen to it here. Okay, so that's the ringtone there, but basically how I came up with the idea was the request came in, and there was a gaming video I saw that was very funny to me, so it was hilarious, and I liked the vocals. So I sampled the vocals, did some vocal chops, as you can see, some here, and then kind of just stacked them, and I put a compressor and EQ on them, and that was it. But and then I got a basic synth and created a just a basic progression, melody progression, and added some white noise, a little bit of white noise, just to give it a build up and a drop, and then that was it basically. But the whole thing was basically a raw sound. It wasn't really too much processing done. As you can see, my mix is see, I just added a compressor here, ratio was pretty much standard, didn't do too much. Then for EQ, and there you see the EQ, I just took out a lot of the top end that that the white noise provide, and then that was basically it. For both are the same for the vocals, and pretty much everything was basically the same. But this is just one example of what we do here at Nofoolyou Audio Video. If you guys like this ringtone, this sound, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's about it. But here you go again. Take another listen to it. The raw and the final. The final is here. Here, I put the white noise here, and it's building. into a drop. And that was basically it.